scuba. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to run. Photographer Kobe on the mic. Bro. Hey! What the I'm off that full loco. Bro, y'all, it is snowing in Houston, Texas, bro. I can't, but motherfucker, hold this. Oh yeah, nigga. You got it coming, nigga. Oh! Come out! Don't throw the camera. Oh! Get my shoe! Oh, Chad! What do I do? What do I do? My shoe! Don't get this shit. Oh, shit. Hold on, man. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to run. Ah, nigga! Stop playing! They play! Get your shoe! Oh, rain, motherfucker! No! They gone! Where's Bobby J? As y'all can see, bro, it's snowing in Houston, Texas. It's snowing in Houston, Texas, y'all. Motherfuckers keep playing in the snow. Oh, this was all water. Cause I'm trying to make the world's biggest snowman, bro. Houston biggest snowman. Y'all, this all used to be water, bro. Hey, y'all, I'm good anyway. I step with these big ass Timberlands, bro.
At least some. Damn, you got Timberlands.
Exactly, I'm good. Oh, y'all niggas got Crocs on and some more shit.
I got on these.
Yeah. Sound like a little ASMR. Watch, look. Shh, shh. Hey, what this freezing, bro? Honey, where's my super suit? Look at that. Slide. No. Let me see your best slide. Slide.
Kobe, you know the fans know where we at because when it was the hurricane, we walked this trail.
They don't know though, bro. It's only a select few who knows where we are. Give me sliding though. Give me slide. Oh. Ooh, that was nice. Yo! Look at that, nigga hate on me.
Oh shit! I will not throw snow back.
All right, y'all, man. Y'all know y'all deserve a cold start in the snow. Scuba. Oh. Take some pictures right now and we finna go slide this motherfucker. Like, today is the day we gonna slide, bro. It's time. We gonna slide it 2K. Yeah. Y'all stay tuned though, bro. We finna get right back to y'all.
He busted ass, no!
We got Homer taking pictures for Eden over here, man. What up, Homer?
Good, man. Look, he said he got a spot, so we got to see if he got the spot.
Come on, man. We got the spot, bro. Let's hop in the whip.
I gotta be careful this time, Chad.
Alright, bet. Alright, y'all. Another thing I forgot to tell y'all. Somebody wanted to buy my front and back bumper, so we might get that sold today. It's off.
You might go buy a new one.
I'm about to go get a whole new. We finna get that scat, man. We finna sell a bumper. Somebody wanna buy my back bumper for $500. And the front bumper, somebody wanna buy it for $600. So that's $1,100 profit right there. Oh shit.
That's right.
What that say? I can't see.
Kobe.
Kobe. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Going slide. Come on, YNS. Come on, YNS.
Who coming. It's me, Homer. You. Hey y'all, so I'm gonna be wearing this while I'm drifting, bruh.
Y'all gonna see his
Okay. Okay, y'all stay tuned.
So the rules still apply in the snow?
Yo. Wait, what rules? What rules?
Red light.
Oh yeah, hell yeah. Safety first, guy. Oh, matter of fact, seatbelt. Feel me? Feel me? Seatbelt. We safe around there. We safe around here. Hey y'all, look. Tell me what time y'all seeing this. You know we do this every time. 12:16 on the dot. Oh, you trying to race? I ain't gonna even do it, bro. I ain't gonna even do it, bro.
Man, look at that car they got.
Volkswagen, get up. Oh, yeah, they can't get through. They can't get through, y'all.
When you start with some horsepower. All right,
Me
y'all.
over there, man. I got a big ass
Park. He didn't want to come to his favorite park. Shout out to Kobe. He drove us.
Lord.
About to take some flicks. You know, gotta capture the memories.
Bruh, Eden a cool dude, bruh. Eden, you so cool, bruh. That's a picture right there, like, bro. That's literally a picture, bruh. You see, he too aesthetic, bro. Like, Eden too cold. Eden too cold. Come on, Eden.
Eden, you're gonna get iced in your butt.
You know you cool, bruh. Let's go. What's your dumb ass? Go long, go long, go long. Oh, this nigga, no Patrick Mahomes. No Patrick Mahomes. Oh, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Like, this is so nice. Literally. Is this water? You think that's water, Katie? Nah, I'm pretty sure you can walk. I know you can walk right here, like, right? Whew. It would have been over with, bro. Y'all, bro, is this even Houston right now? Good morning, everybody! Red key, red key, red key. Middle fingers in the air, fuck it twice. I get scared.
Hell yeah.
Hang, Kobe, hang.
Behind the scenes of Kobe J photo.
Hold on with one hand until you get it. What are you doing? You gonna fall, bro.
Hell nah.
You gonna fall. You doing it wrong.
No, I'm not.
Nah, he got it. He got it. I'm gonna get on that side. Get over here.
Hold on, I can't.
Put one hand down. One hand. Just one hand. No, put your legs back up.
Oh.
It made a freak.
Alright, y'all, man. We just taking random ass pictures, bro. Hey, I'm just here to slide, bro. That's it.
What are the chances we'll get snow again?
It ain't no
Bro,
good
we'll
chance.
probably be like 30, bro.
Hey, no. It snowed like 2-3 years ago,
Yeah,
if I'm not
but
mistaken.
like, bro, it don't happen every other.
I say like every 5 years it gonna snow in this house. Every 5 years.
Wait, something nobody has did.
Uh-oh. Yeah. First snow angel of 2025, bro.
Can you see it?
Photographer Kobe on the mic.
Bro.
Photographer.
Technical difficulties.
Oh.
Hey. Hello, Eden. Hello, Eden.
Down, eat it.
Hello,
Down,
Eden.
eat it.
Take a picture. Oh, he got snow on him.
He laughed.
Let's take a picture, Papa. Come on.
You want, it's on 125. You want me to adjust it while I'm taking
Let me see.
pictures?
Let me see how it looks.
Eden, why
No,
you
that's
being
good.
bad?
Just zoom out more so we can see the snow.
I bet. We're having technical difficulties with Eden right now.
Get up. Come here. Get over here with me. I'm gonna take this picture.
Bro. Yeah, Homer.
Hey. Put the camera on me. W Kobe chat. Y'all get at Kobe if y'all need some pictures, man.
My past life, I was a photographer, bro.
Shout out to Kobe, man.
Past life? What past life? You have 2 lives? Tell us something. L Homer in the chat. Hey, Eden.
Eden, come here. Come by me, Eden.
Go with your dad now before I get you. Oh, shit.
Get him, Eden. Go.
Whoa, man down.
Still a good picture, though. Still got a good picture, Eden.
Picture perfect.
He plotted. I thought he was gonna throw a snowball. Let me see Kobe. He probably doing one to me.
This snow so satisfying stepping in it.
We about to go to that place to do them donuts, and we gonna see. Yeah. Y'all stay tuned.
I'm off that full loco.
That's light, y'all. That's light. Alright, y'all, bro, we are here, man. We are here and we ready to go crazy. We got track mode on and we got the... Alright, so y'all see what we working with right now, bro. Let's go around the car. Y'all, if y'all don't even know, I'm hands-free today, you feel me? We hands-free today sliding, bro. And we finna go crazy in the RT. Don't worry, bro, because I'm finna go get the rear ends Hellcat swap. So, in a little bit, we gonna be looking good. We waiting on the people to pass. This shit look like I got a football helmet. Give me on this point of view. Let me see.
Get it. 3, 2, 1, and
Y'all, look how this look from this POV to that POV. Like, that is so crazy, bro. Come on, BJ, you getting in? Let's go. Let's go. All right, look.
Hey, y'all finna see this, bro. This gonna be crazy. My boy Kobe for the slide.
Traction all the way off, brother.
No traction, brother.
No traction, brother.
No traction.
No traction, brother.
We're doing this thing the slippery way.
The slippery way. You ready, Homer?
Yeah, let me see it. Make sure the POV looking good.
It's good. Hello. I gotta take this bitch off. Hold on. Looks like we gotta get new tires again, y'all. This is like my 4th time. Y'all know we come every 4 weeks to get new tires, bruh. But oh well, bruh. If it takes me getting new tires to get y'all content, that's what we gonna do. So y'all stay tuned, bruh. They're smoking, bro. Like, they're smoking, literally. Oh my God, the steam. Y'all stay tuned though, bruh. That was thorough. What you think about that?
I ain't gonna lie, that was tough. That was tough.
This sliding without the Hellcat rear ends, bro. And I'm supposed to be getting the Hellcat rear ends today or tomorrow. So y'all stay tuned, bro. For real.
Hey, make sure y'all subscribing and liking the video. Cause if y'all not supporting, how you gonna get new time? How you gonna get new time?
I'm off that full loco.
Come on, bro. Snowball fight, bro.
Fuck, I'ma start it there.
Hello. We ain't got teams, brother.
I'm good. I got this camera. That's
All right, 3 on 3. 3 on 3. I'ma get active with the camera. You feel me?
Yeah, not me. I can't
Get
even work
active.
this man for real.
One hand. Come on now. Hey, pop the camera in. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh. Sniper game.
I gotta get on point.
Don't shit at me while I'm recording. How much?
How much?
How much y'all want?
500. What the fuck?
Do better.
Nah, give me
Shit.
250.
You said 100.
150. 150.
No, you said 100.
150.
Why would you start off with
150.
All right, 120.
Oh, that's good.
Come on.
Hey y'all, stay tuned for when this man jump in the water, bro. Cause I'm skipping straight to the part. 200 right
200 right now.
Oh!
Hey, this man finna jump in the water. Let's get it, man.
All these
y'all wanna do this
all
side?
these clothes going straight in the dryer.
You can take it off and jump. You getting enough.
Let's take it off.
Hey, make sure you get this, man.
Y'all ready?
You don't want to take that jacket off?
Y'all ready?
All right, you ready? That man finna do a snow angel in the water in the midst of the cold. Let's get it, man. 3, 2, 1.
Oh! Come on! Come on!
Yes.
Wait.
3, 2, 1.
What the fuck? Oh! Oh! To the crib! To the crib! To the crib! To the crib! Yeah!
I'm off that full loco.
That shit, dog. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Bro, this shit satisfying as.
I make a big ass snowball.
You see? You know, if you roll it all the way to the ground, by the time we get there, it'll be big as hell. Yeah. That shit ain't get no bigger. Hey y'all, if y'all in that 713-832-409-337 area, like how the snow is, what y'all rate the snow right now? He made I'm good. Hey, fuck it. Hey, y'all, I'm about to get active. I'm about to get active, y'all. Bitch, you should have watched me. Give me that shit. Bitch, nigga, you should have been lucky, boy. See, butter. Come on, bitch. Come on, nigga. I got him ass in the mouth. Ain't no teams, nigga. Ain't no team. Oh shit, I lost my phone.
Oh, you think you lost your phone?
I did.
How?
Fell out my pocket. Look at my phone. Bitch! A God. Oh my God! Oh! I'm tired, brother. I'm throwing in the towel. Get that. Hey, how that mouth feel, nigga? How that mouth feel? All right. Hey, real mad, I popped his ass in the mouth.
Over here.
Bitch ass.
He got my ass. Hey, that shit clocking. Fuck out my shit. Good. My wine there.
We good.
He got me good. Y'all stay tuned, bro. I'm cold. Damn.
This is why Houston never gets